Convert 5 gallons to quarts. Let's go. Let me ask you a couple helper questions here. How many quarters are in a game of basketball? Yeah, that's 4. How many quarters are in a dollar? That's 4. How many quarters do you have in a school year if your school year works on quarters? Yeah, you know, it's 4. 4. Quarters are 1/4. That's why they're called quarters. Okay, well, the reason I bring that up is quarts into gallons. Quarts is short for quarters. How many quarts are in a gallon? 4. The same as there are 4 quarters in a dollar or any of those other examples I gave you. There are 4 quarts, as in quarters, of a gallon. There are 4 quarts in a gallon. So how many quarts is 5 gallons? Well, it's 5 gallons times 4 quarts for every one of those gallons. And there we go, we're done. 5 times 4 is 20. So if I've got 5 gallons, and I know there's 4 quarts, as in quarters, per gallon, 5 times 4 is 20. We got 20 quarts, our answer is C. And if you got it, good thinking.